In a bright, colorful world at the edge of a sunlit valley, a place where fruits and vegetables weren't just food, they were full of life.
Behold
Apple,
my glory,
glowing
the
red like
shiniest
polished
in the
glass,
garden.
puffed out his chest and announced, "Everyone loves me the most." Carrot rolled his eyes, tall and bright orange, and snapped back, "Please." Without vegetables, no one could be strong. Dark clouds rolled over the valley. A massive storm struck, winds tearing through the garden with terrifying force. Carrot was nearly pulled from the soil, and for the first time, both cried out for help. But help did come. Banana rushed to Apple, rolling him to safety. Broccoli stood strong, shielding Carrot from the roaring wind. In that moment, they finally understood. The garden survived only because they stood together. When the storm passed, sunlight broke through the clouds. The garden sparkled. Apple and Carrot looked at each other, ashamed, but grateful. And from that day onward, they lived not as rivals, but as a family, because unity is what makes even the smallest garden truly grow.